Very insightful lecture, congratulations. If you were to point on one key message, what would it be?
Well, the first one is you need to start implementing AI today. You don't need to wait till tomorrow because things are changing so fast that if you want to be on top of the curve, you need to start doing something today. Then the next thing is start with small steps. You don't need to do a rocket science. You need to start with small steps and see how it works for your business. And the other thing is that AI it's good in a heavy lifting and humans are good in the context. So use AI to do heavy lifting and use humans to do the context. And finally, and probably most important, because team or people you're working with should be the most important part of your business, the main asset of your business, be sure that you upskill your team to be ready to the AI future.
We're very happy to have you here. What do you think about e-commerce Jam?
Well, it's a great event. A lot of insightful topics, a lot of insightful talks, a lot of thought-provocative talks as well, and great atmosphere. I mean, people are really enjoying the show, and actually there is a party after that which everyone is buzzing for.
Past few years have been very, very challenging, and so it's likely the future. What would be the main business advice you would share with us? Or maybe a rule you live by in these demanding days?
All right, so the challenging times, the times are always been challenging for human. So if you go 20,000 years ago, then probably our challenge will be to eat or to be eaten. So the challenges are changing all the time. So they're changing the challenges. But from the business point of view, I would suggest or recommend to first keep things simple, because simple things works, complicated things doesn't. Then execute fast and fail fast, because now in this very fast-pacing environment, if you spend too much time, it's just too late at some point. So fail fast, that's a basic agile principle. And then from like a leadership perspective, make sure that you know that time is your most valuable asset, because how you manage your time, it's important of what you're doing and what you can achieve in one day. And as I said previously, make sure that you put your team as a top priority, because these are the people that are running business, not you as the leader. So be sure that they are happy and you upskill them or make them do the best of what they can. And finally, probably that's more philosophical, let's say, but you still and really need to rely on your core values, because if you don't do that, you end up with making decision which conflicts with your values, and then you pay this off later on the line.